If you are a mere mortal like us, then wait till the end of this video because the products we will be discussing are as close as you or your kids are likely to get to the real thing. Do you want to buy a unique gift for your little cuties? Check out our number 7. Do you want your kids to sail on the water all by themselves with premium safety? Then check out our number 4. Let's dive into the 10 coolest kids vehicles worth buying. Number 10. Beetle 12-volt ride-on kid car. One of the best kids vehicles in town, the Beetle 12-volt is safe and comfortable. The wheels are equipped with a spring suspension system to ensure a smooth ride. It is ideal for both outdoor and indoor playing. It also features parents' remote control with double door design to ensure kids' safety, and it's comfortable. It has a thickened base with a safety belt that provides ample space for babies to sit. The vehicle has 2 modes, manual operation and parental remote control. Kids love to drive it on their own by a foot pedal, shift lever, and steering wheel. Not to worry, it is smooth and simple to ride. It has a 2-speed option for kid driving. Parents can also control it with a 12 GHz remote control. Vehicle is equipped with LED lights, 4-wheel suspension, double doors, power display, FM, music, and a portable handle. You can also connect your device via USB or Bluetooth function to play music and stories. The vehicle runs for about an hour depending on the children's weight and car speed. The Beetle car is lovely, and it would make a perfect gift for any child. Number 9. Power Wheels Wild Thing. This awesome battery-powered vehicle is designed for advanced riders looking for more excitement and thrills than ever before. Kids will love hopping into the extra-wide seat of the Wild Thing and taking it for a spin. Using the dual joystick steering controls, they can shift it forward or reverse and spin it 360 degrees for a whirling, twirling thrill ride. The open metal structure gives the Wild Thing ride-on a super cool high-tech look with its large, rugged tires and forward speeds of up to 5 miles per hour. This vehicle can go off-road where others can't. Everything is under control with the Wild Thing. The 4 parent-controlled speed settings under the seat help kids better master their controls. Start them at the lowest speed until they're ready for more, and gradually move them up to the top speed of 5 miles an hour forward and 2.5 miles in reverse. The vehicle also has a multi-terrain performance. Thanks to its large durable tires and forward speed up to 5 miles an hour, the Wild Thing ride-on car can power over pavement and grass, giving kids an off-road experience that many other vehicles can't provide. Number 8. BTGC 36-volt dirt bike. Sometimes what kids really want is an adventurous toy to replicate their favorite character scenes in movies. And have you recently been thinking about the perfect vehicle to get your kid? The 36-volt dirt bike is the ultimate kids ride. It is great for driveway and backyard fun, cruising over bumps, and speeding through dirt trails with ease. The bike comes with standard front and rear suspension, front and rear brakes, parent selectable speeds, and large knobby tires. The lithium battery is sustainably lighter, and it offers more performance and, most notably, a longer ride time. In optimum conditions, it can go up to 14 miles per charge. Number 7. Bugatti Baby 2. Keep your Tesla. This 55-mile-an-hour all-electric Bugatti is the most fun you can have with a battery. It is evident we don't stop playing because we grow up. We grow up because we stop playing. With the new Bugatti Baby, you might never grow up. Almost 100 years after the creation of its predecessor, the Bugatti Baby 2 has been developed using state-of-the-art technology while paying tribute to the Bugatti's rich automotive heritage. The vehicle offers driving pleasure for Bugatti enthusiasts of all generations, along with the unique flair of the classic Bugatti brand. At 3/4 the size of the Bugatti Type 35, the Bugatti Baby can be driven in 2 selectable drive modes for both adults and children. For the speed enthusiasts who want more performance, an optional Cryon-inspired speed key upgrade is available, which increases the power to 10 kilowatts and the top speed to around 42 miles an hour. The Bugatti Baby features an electric rear-wheel drive powertrain with a replaceable lithium-ion battery, an adjustable pedal box, and regenerative braking. Number 6. Geckon Snow. This snow bike is equipped with a triangular tracked module, which positively affects its ground clearance and cross-country ability. In front, there are wide skis made of durable plastic with a metal reinforcement at the base. Also, the snowmobile has a rich basic configuration. It is equipped with an electric starter, a remote shutdown and engine start, a mechanical speed limiter, a hydraulic disc rear brake, comfortable hydraulic shock absorbers, and shock absorbers with adjustable spring pretension, a bright headlight and LED taillight with brake light, a spacious fuel-efficient 3.5-liter tank, reinforced with a 420 drive chain. The front suspension is an independent wishbone, which makes it very comfortable. The basic version is equipped with a quiet muffler. The frame is painted with high-strength powder paint, in front with a reliable protective bumper. In the back, there is a convenient handle. The plastic of the snow bike has a bright modern design and soft structure. A feature of this model is very light steering, which will allow your child to enjoy driving for a long time. Number 5. Hypergo GoKart. The ultimate hoverboard accessory. With the GoKart kit, you can attach onto any hoverboard on the market through a clever strap system and transform your hoverboard into a fully functioning go-kart. It's fun for all ages. Plus, it can adjust to fit all ages. The accessory features a well-designed metal frame that extends on both height and width to adjust to the user of all ages, making for the perfect gift. It also has built-in shock absorbers that give you a smooth ride on any surface while keeping you safe from any injuries. High-quality dual disc brakes in the front wheels add an extra sense of safety to your riding experience. With adjustable metal frame, you can slide the length of the go-kart and the height of the steering wheel to fit your needs. The go-kart is built with longevity in mind. A sturdy metal frame will hold up against any terrain and has been added to it so you can drive all day long. The telescopic rods keep the cart's weight in mind so you can still carry it where needed. Number 4. Lewis Miniboat. The range of this boat is 4.8 meters to 6.8 meters in length and offers great family fun or serious offshore fishing. The Lewis boat has all the onboard ingredients to make boating comfortable and enjoyable, but it is this boat's on-water performance that makes it so popular with serious and social skiers alike, particularly with the wakeboarding enthusiasts. The underwater shape of this boat holds the key to just about all of its performance and success as a waterboarding towboat. The position, length, and shape of the strakes and keel plank, the overall wide, drooped chines, and the concave shape created inside the chimes combine to give a ride and all-around ski boat performance that is as good as you will get from any ski boat on the market. Like a number of other builders, Lewis has also resorted to mechanical devices to enhance the quality of the wake for the die-hard wakeboarders. This plate, called a wake enhancer on the options list, is fully controlled and adjusted from the driver's seat. The shape of the chines, the tunnels formed between them, and the hull make the boat extremely smooth and easy to ride. The deep chines and concave tunnels keep water displaced and spray down and away from the boat, producing a dry ride that is comfortable for all on board under various water conditions. Number 3. Scania S730 Mini Truck. The mini truck is engineered to last. Designed on AutoCAD and built on CNC laser cut and fabricated stainless steel chassis and axles, it is powered by a 24-volt battery unit with chain-driven transmission. The truck has a functioning fifth wheel, which allows coupling and decoupling of trailers. It features a sturdy plastic molded cab, functioning taillights, Scania V8 engine noise, forward and reverse gear, and variable throttle speeds. The truck has a safety shut-off cool-down built into the ECU to prevent damage in case of overloading, and a safe top speed of 6 kilometers an hour. The truck is undoubtedly a premium quality toy to be enjoyed by both kids and adults. Number 2. Mini Cat Dozer. Finally, you can get your kids busy on the farm or garden with the Mini Dozer. With the Mini Dozer, your kids can give a helping hand to lessen the burden on the construction site or on the farm. The Cat Dozer is designed to optimize speed, transportability, maneuverability, versatility, and finish grading accuracy. The Crawler Dozer is ideal for residential construction, performing such tasks as clearing and grading lots, sloping the sides of roads, backfilling, and final grade work for landscaping and driveway construction. Number 1. Tao Motor Jeep 125cc. The Jeep Auto will fit most young riders with an adjustable seat that sits between 27 inches and 31 inches from the pedal to the seat back so that kids won't outgrow the go-kart after 1 year. The parental speed limiter is a unique feature that allows parents to govern the vehicle all the way down to a max speed of only 5 miles an hour. The dashboard offers a kill switch, on-off switch, horn, light switch, and rear view mirror. The go-kart also features a complete remote start alarm system that parents will find very useful for control and safety. The Tao Motor Jeep Auto Go-Kart is designed with safety in mind, with a wide wheelbase of over 55 inches long and 46 inches wide, accompanied by a secured roll cage overtop to protect its rider. The great-looking Jeep-style front end with overhead lights and carrying rack on the back makes this machine an incredible ride. And with the added benefit of rear view and side mirrors, you will always be able to see other go-karts you are leaving in the dust. The fast-paced acting front-rear disc brakes can stop this vehicle in a hurry by pressing on the brake pedal. For emergencies, there is an additional emergency handbrake that can be pulled. There you have it, the 10 coolest kids vehicles worth buying. Thank you for watching this video. Links to get any of these awesome vehicles have been linked in the description box below, so head on down there to get yourself something awesome. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. If you are new to the channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons to be part of the unique family, and make sure to smash that little bell near the subscribe button to be among the first to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video.